day 3 of the build out. Nothing like the smell of KilMat and spray paint in the morning. Here we go. I'm gonna try to fix this headliner. So I've sort of jankily drawn a pencil line there where I want to chop it, and this part is gonna come off, and it's gonna look like it was always supposed to be like that, right? So here we go, let's see. My mom gave me this box cutter to slice it off with. Seems to be doing the job, and maybe it won't look the nicest on the edge, but I'll cover it with something so it won't matter, like some rubber stuff that goes on like the outside of the window there, and I'll use that to cover this edge so it won't look so weird. Timber! Whoopee!
You don't need any of these then.
Yay! Nah. We are at the Fisheries Supply store to look for exhaust vent fans. This is the vent fan that we got at the Marine Supply store. It's a Marinco day-night solar vent, and it has a solar panel and a battery in it in case there's not enough sunlight to run. And a lot of van lifers use the MaxxAir fan, but I can't use the MaxxAir fan because I have a Nissan NV200 and the space for the roof is only about like 5 or 6 inches between the bars here in the ceiling, and MaxxAir fans are like 9 to 14 inches. So I had to get something that was smaller. This one is, I got the 4-inch one because my mom said it would probably move more air than the 3-inch one, even though it was at least $50 more than the 3-inch one. But it's pretty cool. My mom doesn't need one, but she says she really wants one for her van too. But I'm pretty excited for my new vent fan. The Freebird outfitters that were making campers out of Nissan NVs were using another fan called VanLife, but the guy at the dealership said sometimes the rain could get in, but this vent fan is made for boats, so it should be pretty heavy duty for my VanLife vent. Woohoo! Day 3, I got all the KilMat in. I used the whole box, and it's just sound deadening material, so you don't need to go too crazy and do every little spot. But I did in the doors here too, and in the door pockets. So now I'm done with that stuff. I also got the headliner out, and it looks so much better. This is Cork Underlayment, You can get that on the Amazon God, and it's gonna go in all these grooves here on the floor, and eventually it will be another flooring layer as well, but for now we're just gonna stick them in between these grooves because it will even out the floor. You can see this is sort of uneven, and we want it to be nice and flat so it won't ruin our insulation. We're cutting those strips and they're going in the floor here. At the end of day 3, I have all of the KilMat in, and I have 2 layers of cork underlayment between these ridges in the floor where I put the KilMat. So there's 2 layers here. And I also got a fan for a vent, so it's been a very productive day.
Hello everyone, Allison here, and this is my van called Wonderland. If you're a millennial and beyond looking to become a roam owner, maybe retire early and see the wonderlands of the wild, then this is the place for you. Remember to like, subscribe, and save this video to all of your van life and roam life playlists. For more information in less time, adjust your playback settings to watch these videos on 1.5 speed. If you'd like to follow my adventure, or you need a consultant to help you get from a house that doesn't move into a home that does, then visit my website at www.allisonwonderland.info. See you in Wonderland!